Good day, everyone. I am Marjoy M. Ortega, a first-year college student, and today I want to share what I learned from understanding the self, lesson 1 to 4. Before taking this subject, I thought knowing myself was easy. I know my name, my likes and dislikes, and the things I enjoy doing. But after learning about the self, I realized that there is actually more to me than when I see on the outside. I learned that the self is influenced by many things: our experiences, emotions, family, friends, culture, environment, and the people around us. These things can change the way we think, act, and see ourselves. One thing I found interesting is that different perspectives explain the self in different ways. Philosophy encourages us to ask deep questions about who we are. Psychology helps us understand our thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Sociology explains how society and other people influence us, while anthropology helps us understand the role of culture in shaping our identity. This is important to me because as a student, I face different challenges. There are times when I doubt myself, especially when school becomes difficult. But understanding myself helps me recognize what I am feeling and reminds me that struggling does not mean I am a failure. For example, when I get a low score on activity, my first reaction might be disappointed. But instead of thinking, I am not good enough, I can myself what I can learn from this. I can use my mistakes as a reason to improve instead of allowing it to define me. The most challenging part of the lessons was understanding that there is no single answer to the question, who am I? I realized that I am still changing. The person I am today may not be exactly that same person I will become in the future. Because of these lessons, I learned to be more patient with myself. I learned that I don't have to have everything figured out right away. I am still learning, I'm still growing, and I am still discovering who I am. For me, that is the most meaningful lesson from understanding the self. Knowing yourself is not about finding a final answer. It is about continuing to discover, accept, and improve yourself every day. And thank you.